If this video helps you any, please like this video so we know that you like the content, and we'll be able to get some more videos like this on. And please subscribe to the channel so you'll be alerted when more videos are uploaded. Also, if you're looking for any specific firearm to be disassembled and reassembled, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it uploaded and online. Alright, today we got the Walther P22. This is a very easy one to disassemble. No magazine, chamber is clear. We're going to go ahead and drop this slide just like that, and we're going to leave it racked basically, because you'll have to, you don't have to, but it's easier to go ahead and have this cocked back when you're reassembling it. So basically this little lever right here, so on both sides we're going to take my fingers like this and I'm going to pull down. So we're just going to pull down, heard it click, and then we're going to go back with the slide, up, and then out. So we're going to go back, up, being easy, and out. If you go real fast, this could spring out. This is your rod and spring, and that's it. That's literally all you have to do for disassembly for cleaning. Now you'd spray your gun down and clean it and put it back together. Now to put it back together, we want to make sure the back of the rod right here, you see you got free spring up here, the back of the rod goes down in that hole down in there. So I'm going to hold it sideways, put it down that hole because I want the rod and the spring both to go in. So now if you see I'm down in that hole. The slide right here, there's a hole for the spring right there. I'm going to start the spring in just like that. Now you're going to have to wiggle this part. You're going to have to wiggle to get the spring and the barrel through their hole, so you may have to wiggle it around while you're doing that. We're going to push this all the way back. You heard that seat down. Basically when I pushed it back it went down. Now we're going to pull forward. Once we're pulled forward, we're going to push this little clip up. We're going to pull that trigger, make sure everything is functioning properly. If you need to, rack it a few times, keep pulling the trigger, make sure everything works as it should, and that is totally reassembled, ready to be loaded and shot. Alright, this is the Walther P22. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.